Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, my name is Mujib Rahman and I live in a small village of district Naushad of Ross. Today I will tell you why I want to learn English. Yes guys, today I will tell you this thing that why I want to learn English, and when I started speaking English, I did knew how to speak English and I was fond of the speak English. And I thought if I want to speak English, I will have to pay a lot of money and I will have to pay a lot of time. After that, I can speak English. I will be able to speak English. But no, my dear, it's completely fake. It's not a reality. If you want to speak English, you have to give your minimum 1 or half hour per day. If you can do this work, it means you can speak English. I want to make you clear one thing that when I did knew how to speak English, I was very fond of the speak English, and I did not know. I was not aware of these things, and one day I thought I have to speak English and I want to speak English. And I thought, in this time we are living in 2025, and this is at 2025, and in this time we have a lot of opportunities to speak English without spending money and without joining any much time. You just have to consist, because like me, I am consistent, and when I started speaking English, I was consistent. I did not give my 2 or 3 hours to speak English. But after today, you can see I can speak English, and I want to make you clear one thing, that if you really want to learn English, English is not a rocket science. English is not a difficult, my dear. It's easy. In this time, you have YouTube. If you have one mobile and YouTube, you can start speaking English. Because in this time, speaking is not a difficult thing. And when I was when I did not knew how to speak English, I was thinking like you that speaking is very difficult. I cannot speak English. But today I think speaking is not a difficult thing. I can speak English very well, and if I can speak English, then you also can. And these are things, and I want to make you clear that in this time we are living in 2026. And if you want to speak English, and it's not a difficult, there are a lot of courses there are a lot of courses available on the YouTube. If you want to learn English, you should search on the YouTube how to speak English within 2 or 3 months. I'm not saying that you will speak English within 5 or 8 days. No, my dear. You will have to give your some month after that you can speak English, but you have to give your time. You have to consist. If you are consistent, if you want to give your half hour daily, it means you can speak English. Speaking, it's not a difficult, my dear. And I want to clear one thing. I want to make you clear one thing, that when I started speaking English, I was thinking that it is very difficult to speak English. I can't do it, and many people can do it, but I can't do it. I don't have ability to speak English in front of people, in front of camera, in front of myself. But one day I thought, if YouTubers and celebrities and other boys and teachers can speak English, then I also can. That's why I started speaking English. And I thought, in this time you have to believe yourself, my dear. If you can believe yourself, it means you can learn English. You can speak English. I'm making this video because of my own interest, that I want to make you clear one thing, that if I can speak English, then you also can. In the beginning, I know you will think that I can't speak English. Speaking is very difficult. In the first day, your mind will make some kind of yogurt. You will think that what I'm doing this thing, it's very difficult. I will have to give my more money. I will have to give my more time to send to other platform after I can speak. No, my dear, it's not a reality. It's fake thing. In this time, we are living in 2026, and it's a modern time. You can learn everything, whatever you want, with the help of YouTube. YouTube is the best platform to learn everything, whatever you want, my dear. I want to clear one thing, that I have also learned to speak English from YouTube.